In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the water pump for Ford Escape 2013 to 2016. This is the water pump. The seal ring. The following are the tools used for replacing the water pump. Large torque wrench. Large extendable ratcheting wrench. Small torque wrench. Small flathead screwdriver. Hose clamp pliers. Needle nose pliers. Large short extension bar. Small ratcheting wrench. 10 millimeters wrench. Small 8 millimeters long socket. Medium 10 millimeters long socket. Large 15 millimeters long socket. Large 18 millimeters long socket. Small 10 millimeters short socket. Medium T30 Torx bit socket. Large 14 millimeters short socket. 3/8 to 1/2 adapter. 1/2 to 3/8 adapter. Large electric impact wrench. Electric ratcheting wrench. Rubber pad, funnel, container for catching coolant. Hose for draining coolant. Use the jack to assist with installation. Open the hood. Prop the hood open with the support rod. Remove the engine cover. Remove the coolant reservoir cap. Make sure do not remove it when the engine is hot. Let it cool down first. Lift the vehicle. Using the electric impact wrench with the adapter and T30 Torx bit socket, remove the splash shield retaining screws. Remove the engine splash shield. Get a clean hose and container to catch the coolant. Connect the hose to the drain port. Using the needle nose pliers to open the drain valve. Use a clean container to catch the draining coolant. After the coolant is fully drained, use the needle nose pliers to close the drain valve. Remove the hose. Lower the vehicle. Remove the small hose from the coolant reservoir. Remove the retaining clip from the small hose. Set the small hose aside. Remove the coolant reservoir. Lift it straight up. Using the hose clamp pliers, remove the clamp from the coolant return hose. Remove the hose. Using the jack with a rubber pad, support the engine oil pan from underneath. Remove the engine mount. Use the large 18 millimeters long socket with the adapter and electric ratcheting wrench. Remove the engine mount to engine retaining nut. Use the large 15 millimeters long socket with the large short extension bar, adapter, and electric ratcheting wrench. Remove the engine mount to body retaining bolt. The other retaining bolt is located directly in front of the firewall. Remove the engine mount and bolts. Using the 10 millimeters wrench, loosen the water pump pulley retaining bolts. Using the large 14mm short socket with the extendable ratcheting wrench to release the tensioner, remove the belt. Release the tensioner. Remove the water pump pulley retaining bolts. Remove the water pump pulley. If there is any interference, lift the jack slightly, then remove the pulley. Using the small ratcheting wrench, with the small 8mm long socket, loosen the water pump retaining bolts. Using the 8mm long socket to assist, remove the water pump retaining bolts. After removing the lower bolts, remove the 2 upper retaining bolts. After removing the bolts, remove the water pump. Using the small flathead screwdriver to assist, install the seal ring onto the water pump. This is what it looks like after installing the water pump. Ready to install the water pump. During installation, apply a small amount of lubricating grease to the seal ring. Install the water pump retaining bolts. Install the remaining mounting studs. Install the last retaining bolt at the bottom of the water pump. Using the small 8mm long socket with the torque wrench, tighten the water pump retaining bolts. Torque specific 10 Nm, 7 foot-pounds. Install the water pump pulley. Align the holes and install the pulley retaining bolts. After routing the belt, use the large 14mm short socket with the extendable ratcheting wrench to release the tensioner. Install the belt. Using the small 10mm short socket with the torque wrench, tighten the water pump pulley retaining bolts. Torque specific 20 Nm, 15 foot-pounds. Using the large 14mm short socket with the extendable ratcheting wrench, tighten the tensioner to tension the belt. Helps with installing the water pump pulley retaining bolts. Install the engine mount. Install the bolt. Install the nut. Install the engine mount to body bolt. Install the rear engine mount bolt, which located in front of the firewall. Using the large 15mm long socket with the short extension bar, adapter, and electric ratcheting wrench, tighten the engine mount to body retaining bolt. When tightening the bolt, align it with the original mounting position. Using the large 18mm long socket with the adapter and electric ratcheting wrench, tighten the engine mount to engine retaining bolt. Using the large 18mm long socket with the torque wrench, tighten the engine mount retaining bolts. Torque specific 90 Nm, 66 foot-pounds. Using 2 adapters with a torque wrench, large short extension bar, and 15mm long socket, tighten the engine mount to body retaining bolt. Torque specific 90 Nm, 66 foot-pounds. Install the coolant reservoir. Align the mark on the hose with the mark on the reservoir. Using the hose clamp pliers, tighten the clamp. Position it correctly. Install the coolant reservoir. Align the clip, snap them into place. Install the small hose. Prepare a funnel, fill with coolant. After filling, install the coolant reservoir cap. Start the engine. Check for any coolant leaks. Check that the air is fully bled from the cooling system. Install the engine cover. Lower the floor jack. Remove the jack. Remove the hood support rod. Close the hood. Lift the vehicle. Install the engine splash shield. Using the electric impact wrench with the adapter and T30 Torx bit socket, install the splash shield retaining screws. Lower the vehicle.